Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Quick video about how to update a seamless co-op mode for Elden Ring. So guys, you just type in Nexus mods on your search bar. After that, Nexus mods website. Then you go to Elden Ring. Okay, you go to the games section. After that, you can go to popular. This is the easiest way because seamless co-op is actually the most popular mode for Elden Ring. After that, you go to files, and guys, just download the new files and replace these files completely, or you can just delete the entire folder. So let me show you how to do that. Okay guys, so you need to go to this section of your game. So in my case, it's going to be Have Drive, Steam Library, Steam Apps, Common, Elden Ring, Game. From here, guys, if you want to update your mod, you can either replace the files, or I recommend just deleting them altogether. Your saves will not vanish, don't worry. So seamless co-op folder, as you can see, either replace files or delete them and paste the new ones. And also delete the ERSC launcher, so these two files, one file and one folder. Delete them, then download the new version. As you can see, the latest one is 190. Download and paste them onto the same folder, which is this one over here. This is the mother folder of the game, and you can enjoy the updated version of Seamless Co-op. Guys, very easy. Enjoy the video, subscribe, see you in the next one.